Hi guys, I'm Maury with Momo AI Tools, and in this video, I'm going to be doing a brief, quick review over Pictory. I'm just going to be talking about what it is, who can benefit from using Pictory, some of the features, the pricing, and I'm also going to be logging in and showing you the back office. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I've heard a lot of good things about Pictory. Pictory is one of the best software AI for creating brandable videos from your long form content such as scripts, sales letter, and blog posts, webinars, podcasts, and even Zoom recordings and more. So what this basically does is Pictory is a cloud-based SaaS, which is also known as a software as a service product that that is designed to intelligently render or turn long form content such as blog posts, sales letters, and even lengthy videos into high quality brandable videos that are suitable for uploading on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and a couple others. Okay, so who can basically benefit from using Pictory? Well, anyone that needs to quickly convert their words into video, you should consider using Pictory if you are a YouTuber, if you make blogs, if you have training videos that you record off of Zoom and things like that, then I would consider using Pictory. Now, some of the features that it has to offer is edit to video, edit video using text, create video highlights, auto summarize long videos, script to video, blog post to video, auto caption video, and then auto transcript or transcribe videos. And it has a couple other features as well. Now I want to show y'all the pricing. Of course, you can start out the free trial completely for free. Now with the free trial, you don't get all of this, like as far as 30 videos and stuff like that. With the free trial, when you upload the video, it will still have that Pictory watermark. So just be aware of that, okay? But you can do a free trial that allows you to create 3 video projects that are up to 10 minutes long, okay? So if you want to go ahead and give Pictory a try, I went ahead and left a link in the description down below, and I will leave my coupon code there so that way you do get 20% off from signing up, okay? So here are 3 of the pricing package. You have the standard, premium, and then you have the enterprise. So for standard, that is about 19 bucks a month. And this is good for people that are just starting out with video. Now, here are a few things that you get. You get 30 videos per month. You do get the text to video. It's just 10 minutes length. You get 10 hours of video transcription per month. And then you get to edit existing recordings up to an hour, that's pretty good. I like that feature. You do get 3 branded templates that are customized just for you, and you get 5K music tracks along with 34 texts to speak AI voice. Now that's good for people that are having or running a faceless YouTube channel. So if you don't want your face to be seen, you can have a AI read out your video transcript, which is pretty good. Okay, so the next one that you have is the premium package. This is the most popular. It's just 39 bucks a month. You get 60 videos per month, which is about 2 times as much as you get with the standard package. And then instead of 10 minutes, you get 20 minutes of the text to video projects. And then you get 20 hours of video transcription per month. And you just get a lot more stuff with this. And then you also get the automatic voiceover synchronization, which is very, very cool. You get a Hootsuite integration, which really comes in handy. And then you also are able to bulk download your videos to a CSV, which is pretty cool. Okay. Now with the enterprise, it's everything that the premium package has to offer, just more. That's really for the people that have these big organizations that really need to crank out a lot of content. Okay. So this is really what the landing page looks like. Now, one of the impressive things about Pictory is that it has a lot of great reviews. I was reading some before this video, and they have 4.9 out of 5 stars, which is pretty much 5 stars. Okay, so let's go ahead and log in. Now, I'm just going to show y'all what the back office looks like. I'm going to be making some more videos about Pictory. Like, I'm going to be showing y'all how to do a script to video, an article to video, editing your videos using text, as well as visuals to video. Okay, I'm just showing y'all what it looks like and how easy it is to get started. Okay. So this is what the back office looks like. And of course, if you ever want to become an affiliate of Pictory and start earning some commissions, they do have a very awesome affiliate program there for you as well. Okay. So I'm just going to just show y'all what some of this looks like. So for script to video, pretty much what you want to do is create a script. And what this is going to do is come up with a video for you. So as you can see here, this is really good for educational videos and coaching videos and step-by-step guides. And then for the article to video, it's really good for blogs, press release, and then any HTML article. And then as you can see, edit video using text is really good for adding subtitles automatically, and it's good for cutting portions of your video, creating video highlights, as well as adding logos and intros and outros to your video. And then visual to video is good for creating short videos using your existing images and video clips. All right. So I really do believe that this is a good tool, especially if you're somebody that makes content, that has a blog, and just wants to start making videos. This is really cool. So I will be making different videos talking about or using these different features, the main features. I'm going to be making videos about each of these, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and be on the lookout. Turn on your notification bell to be on the lookout for those videos. And if you, like I said, if you want to give this a go, I do recommend it. Now, some of the pros and cons, I want to go over that. The pros is, of course, with this free trial, they are very generous when using this. And there's no credit card needed to get started. And then you can pretty much automatically start creating videos. Like, it's very AI friendly. You can use automatic video capturing. Now, the main con that I've noticed with this is rendering speed is very slow compared to the other alternatives. Like, InVideo is pretty fast. Pictory is kind of slow, but I just figured it's because they want to really make sure they're thoroughly rendering and adding the appropriate images and videos to the script. But other than that, it's a pretty good, useful tool, guys. And if you want to go ahead and get started with it, like I said, I went ahead and left the link down below in the description along with my coupon code. And with that being said, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or if there's any others have a video that you want me to make, be sure to leave that down in the comments below. And with that being said, I'll see you on the next video. Peace. Hi guys.